Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up action buttons on the Instagram profile. If you want to set up any action button, Instagram give this new feature. Now you can set up different action button on your Instagram profile. So if you want to set up any of the setup buttons, simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application. Once you will open it, now you have to click on your profile icon from the right bottom. Once you will click on it, you will see page like this. From here you have to click on the edit profile, and to do this, first of all you have to convert your account to professional account, and you will see here different options, profile information. Also you will see a option of the also you will see a setup action button option here. Simply you have to tap on it and set up any of your action button. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.